In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Airtable interfaces. User-friendly 2026. Interfaces are the streamlined, visual layers you put on top of your base so teammates see exactly what they need. No clutter, no risk of breaking underlying tables. By the end, you'll know how to open the interface designer, pick the right interface, tweak components, and even use the built-in AI chat to speed things up. First, open your browser and head to airtable.com. Log in using your usual method. Keep this quick. Sign in, confirm the right workspace if you have more than one, and you're set. After you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base, where you'll see your workspaces, bases, and shortcuts to recent work. Look for the recent section that highlights the bases you've opened lately. Handy when you're hopping back into a project. Click a recent base to continue, or create a new base if you're starting fresh. If you're choosing an existing base, it's often easier since your tables and fields are already in place. If you do start new, just make sure you've got the core tables and fields you'll want to surface in your interface. Inside the base, glance up to the top, you'll see the main options. Find interfaces and click it. This opens the interface designer, which is where you build pages that pull from your tables and present them cleanly. Now, find and select the interface you want to customize. An interface is a tailored view made up of pages and components like record lists, forms, Kanban boards, charts, calendars, and text blocks. Choose the one that matches your audience. For example, a manager dashboard with charts, a contributor view with a simple task list, or a client save page with only approved fields. Clear ownership and focused content go a long way here. When you're inside the interface, double-click any part you want to change to open its settings. For a record list, you can pick the source table, set filters to show just what's relevant, sort by priority or due date, and choose which fields appear. For charts, select the table and fields to measure, group by a category, and adjust colors. For forms, decide which questions are required and add helpful descriptions. You can also adjust layout, spacing, and header elements to keep the page tidy and scannable. Keep the most important information above the fold and label components clearly. On the left, you may see a chat panel with AI assistance. You can describe what you want, like adding a summary chart, narrowing a filter, or reorganizing a page, and let the AI generate or refine those changes. Always review and fine-tune anything it creates to make sure it matches your intent and permissions. And that's it. You've customized your Airtable interface with clarity and confidence.